Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Fine.
How's your family? And it is absent, no?
Mr. Awel.
Oh, Mr. Awel.
Awel.
Oh, serious?
Mr. Awel is
Go to class. Go to class.
Oh, okay. Okay, right now, the steam turbine, steam boiler, main steam boiler. Okay. 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 Main steam boiler is closed connected vessel for the LNG and so on, the product for the steam, high pressure, and then to pressure to make of use turn off bleed in the turbine, high turbine and low turbine, high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine. And then the high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine, they turn off the reduction gear. Reduction gear is turn off the propeller, and then make for the shape ahead and astern for the turbine astern. Okay. The low pressure turbine, steam to make of the water in condenser, main condenser. What the main condenser? Main condenser is make a vacuum of steam and cooling for the seawater, and then steam make fresh water. This green for fresh water, and red in high pressure and yellow low pressure. And then condenser pump is pumping for the fresh water to the Glen condenser and to heating for the feed water heater. Feed water heater is used for heating for the fresh water include in on the boiler. Okay? Are you know, Mr. Sata? Okay. And then this is a ship particular on ship. Yeah, on ship is Kawasaki boiler. Yeah. And high pressure turbine turn off 5,084 RPM, and low pressure turbine 3,292 RPM. So that for the steam pressure 58.x bar, and temperature steam 510 degree Celsius. Okay, this is a ship particular of the ship, and then this is piping was a contraction of boiler, main boiler. This is a drum, steam and water drum, and then the piping for the water in piping line is a combustion for the steam and for the drum steam. This is a main boiler, external superheater. This is a type D, and number 1 type D, main steam boiler. It is auxiliary boiler in empty Pangguh Palung, Kilen. This is a 2 auxiliary boiler, and the right now is particular ship. Now this is a piping system boiler contraction for the engine hull, PIP Semarang, auxiliary boiler. This is a control panel, steam pressure gauge, water level control, water gauge, and so on. This is heating the fuel oil. This is pumping, feed water pump. To feed water pump in suction for the fresh water to in boilers. And then number 4 is fan, post draft fan. Combustion is 3 angle: air, fuel, and then for the pumping for the steam to round of consumption for the auxiliary machinery. This is particular Miura. In PIP Semarang, WWH 1200. And then boiler efficiency, rem ketel, boiler efficiency, daya guna 87%. Okay, and so on. It is particular of the WWH boiler Miura in PIP Semarang. Mr. Sapta, you know the main auxiliary boiler to engine hull. Okay, how many pressure to the steam outside? 5 to 7 bar. To 5 to burning and 7 stop burning. Okay, this is steam pressure. Okay, it is particular for the PIP Semarang auxiliary machinery. This is a konstruksi internal Miura. This is a fan, draft fan, is damper, burning. This is fresh water and steam. Funnel to funnel. This is a ignition transformer to ignition. Okay, and then system fuel oil and fresh water. Diesel oil tank and service and settling and service tank, and you pumping for the filter, pumping, heater, and so on to the burning for the in boiler. To heating fresh water, you make to steam and so on. Okay, and then for the diagram fresh water, this is a casket. Okay, casket tank, casket store tank, kemudian water softener, chemical, kontrol pH, pangkat hidrogen, and you feed water pump and in the water in boiler. This is a circulation of the exhaust gas economizer. The PP Smart not yet. Okay, Mr. Fajar, are you serious?
Confused. Not understand. Confused.
This is boiler. This is store tank fresh water. This is a softener to chemical for the air, control pH, pangkat hidrogen, control pH, and then the cascade, neutral, pH. This is corrosive in piping, control pH. Okay, this is a chemical for the maintenance. And then ini adalah tangki bahan bakar. Tangki bahan bakar, diesel oil tank service and diesel oil tank service settling tank. Okay, this is filter, suction for the pump and pump to the evaporator to the burning, pembakar. Okay. Yes. Diesel oil tank and heavy oil tank. Yeah. Tapi this is PP Semarang not heavy. Diesel oil surface and diesel oil surface tank, settling tank and surface tank. Okay. Appendages of the main steam boiler is manometer, safety valve, main steam valve, and auxiliary steam valve and drain valve. And water system, water gauge glass, water control, and water fitting, and manhole. What manhole? Lubang orang, inspection hole is the overhaul, the auxiliary boiler and main boiler. This is manhole and inspection hole. Okay, are you know, Mr. Safta? Yeah.
In and out
Ya, lubang lalu orang. Jadi kalau misalnya kalau kita mau overhaul, bersihin pipa-pipanya, piping, cleaning dan so on, harus kita melalui manhole. Cukup besar. Not inspection hole. Inspection hole itu kecil, small. Okay? How many pressure, Mr. Nur? The boiler in PIP Semarang. 7 bar. 7 bar. And this is stop of burning. Okay. How type PH PIP Semarang? 2,000, 200, 100 to 1,000. 2,100. Okay. This. Pressure boiler to PP Semarang 5 until 7. 5 to burning on and 7 burning off. Automatically. Okay. And consumption fuel oil 76 kilogram per hours. Okay? Understand? Enough? Okay, thank you very much. So next, you paper, you look of the engine hull, boiler auxiliary. Are you writing for the data? Please use SIM or not. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.